You guys, we just came back from dance class, and now we're driving to Target because we're gonna be doing like a squishy hunting. My sissy has a Nido. Remember the video we sent it of my sister eating my Nido squishy? I actually don't have it. I lost it. But my mom ordered me one. But stop.
Okay, so we'll come back when we go to the store.
We are in Target now. We're here. Oh, I'm gonna steal the spot. I'm just kidding. Wait. We are inside Target. Say hi, Nicole.
Hello. Hello.
We're gonna go to the toy section. Yes.
Donuts.
Okay. Yeah, we cannot find any squishies.
Okay, bye, Jesse.
So,
Mom.
squishies. Oh my gosh. There's an ant.
Okay.
Wait, let's see if they're in stock. Out of stock.
Wait. Then need an ice cube. Wait. Can I see if they're in stock? Limited stock. Out of stocks. Ice cream.
Jesse. Chase.
Out of stock, girl.
Careful, sorry. Say, excuse me, Papa. Don't run it.
Is available?
Out of stock. Wait, Mom, what if we ask them for like the back?
Okay, find the one.
Y'all, the squishy hunting end has failed. It failed.
Did
But
you
it-
say hunting again?
I said hunting by
Boy.